Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this lint trap or lint collector, fiber collector. It's from a washing machine. Usually the trap of this is to collect loose fibers or loose hairs. And since it's been exposed to the harsh chemicals like detergent powder and bleach, it's broken down completely. So I'm going to fix that because I don't want to spend $10 buying a new one when I can fix it. Okay, now I'm going to use this mesh. I hope you can see that. I'm going to put it in here. I'll just cut a small portion. I'm going to be putting it in here. Okay, let's cut a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to install this one by one using this multi-purpose glue or multi-purpose adhesive. I'll just put some sort of weight. I'm going to put this second filter, second mesh. Put some weight. Then put some glue. Okay, this is how the final output looks like. You just need to cover this. Put in the cover. Okay, so this is where it is located. Just put it there and push it a little. Okay, so I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.